ZANU-PF is moving to delete Vice President Kotsa Chiwenga's political career as it formally tables a proposal in Parliament to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule beyond his constitutional mandate. Sana mnamashikubudani kwa pana kumana vizimu achiti aiwa idi moves to delete Chiwenga mashoko ashamisa vanhu mastreets vakati zvinhu zvakuda kuitika aiwa vanozama implications azvo here vanozogona kuzo stabilize the country pamusoro waona kuti aiwa general vadeletiwa sana mnamashikubudanyira panapa uri subscribe like on the bell kuti ndinozibaya kudanyira chiti speaking at an inter-district meeting in Mazowe, National and Central Province, ZANU-PF's Chitepo's of Ideology Principal Nyerazi Machacha confirmed that the party's resolution to keep Mnangagwa in power was being actively implemented through government channels. He dismissed claims that the proposal sought to grant Mnangagwa a third term, clarifying that it aimed to extend his current leadership until 2030 to ensure stability and continuity. To facilitate the implementation of Resolution Number 1, a committee has been established comprising principal chairpersons from all 10 provinces, principal political commissar, and representatives from all party wings, Machacha explained. This committee will work closely with the legal department to craft strategies while Parliament explores way to bring this resolution to life. As tensions escalate between Mnangagwa and his deputy, VP Chiwenga, the ZANU-PF national chairperson Obam Chinguri stepped in to mediate the growing factional rift. The two leaders are embroiled in a fierce battle for control over the party beyond 2028. Initially, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga had a verbal agreement that the vice president would succeed Mnangagwa after his second term. At a special state of the party interview held at the ZANU-PF headquarters in Harare on Thursday, Chinguri acknowledged the damaging impact of the leadership wrangles on the party cohesion. It is shameful for any leader to engage in primitive and barbaric political bickering that divides the party, she said. Such behavior only benefits opposition forces. Domashwara kuna panapa kuti aiwa aingori ma-attacks aringoona kuti aringori directed kuna general panguva ino vanhu vanyazvikona kuti aiwa vakomana ava varingoya zvavo vachingovanda-vanda vachataka general vakaviga mupini but chokwadi chekuda kumufaya aiwa ndo chiri ngodepictwa panapa. We do not know kuti ava vakomana vakazviplana kuzviita rini and kana achinge azviita we don't know kuti the general public ichazvitora sei. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechiitiko ichi inango nesection yedu tudze mafungiro enyu usana subscribe or like chete mutonga bell icon.